shopping then.
Puppy.
And it said that we've got this photo of this woman, one of the suffragettes, and they put a scarf around the neck in the photo, but the original photo it's actually a policeman's arm around the neck. So they were saying that they were using Photoshop then.
Puppy.
Back in the, what was that, 19? Some of the suffragettes.
And also, yesterday,
it was earlier than that.
Was it?
On Thursday.
It was definitely black and white anyway.
And
But
Friday,
yeah, it was
Friday
quite,
was my party.
interesting, that really.
And
Like,
Thursday I did actually do a video when it was my birthday, so yeah.
Things like that. I thought so.
I'm gonna get it uploaded soon. You're a cutie pie. You're a cutie pie. You're a cutie pie. Puppy. Hello. Hello. Puppy.
right, come on, Alfredo. Let's get going.
Okay.
It's
Got a picture of her.
I'm doing a video.
Oh right. Oh, I thought you might have a
using up grandad.
So this is my Nanna and granddad's new dog. Puppy. Yeah. You're a licker. Hello.
See, your face is changing, and nose is getting a bit longer.
longer.
isn't it?
That's more of a poodly nose then, is that?
Yeah.
Maltese Terriers are slightly flatter than that.
My phone's in the
Not
way.
like a Shih Tzu that's really flat, you know. Because it's funny, one came in, a 13-week-old one, to the grooming parlour when I was there.
A multi-poo?
No, a Shih Tzu.
Alright.
A Shih Tzu. And I must admit, although it looks cute as a puppy, I found myself thinking I'm almost like having one.
Yeah.
I prefer her
Hello,
little
you getting
cute
up?
face, a longer face than
Yeah, no,
the
she's
flat.
definitely changing. Her nose is definitely getting a bit longer, isn't it?
it is.
She's getting a big snout. Is it? Do we call it a snout?
Yeah, it is a snout.
Yeah, snout.
Okay.
She might be offended by that, with her being a lady. I haven't got a snout.
Yes, you have. Yes, you have.
Right, come on, Alfredo, get your juice and let's go.
Okay. Well, this was my Nanna and granddad new puppy.
Bye, Daddy.
Puppy.